Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to learn about basic Linux commands which you want to use in Linux. To starting with using Linux, you have to be very familiar with Linux commands as it acts as a mediator between you and your computer. So today we will go through it. So now let's start with Linux commands. Let me introduce you to first terminal. So this is the terminal which you can see as a black screen, and you might be wondering what is this and all. So this is the tool that we use to propagate in Linux, like when you want to access any folders or you want to install any files, you use this black box. In Windows you use graphical user interface, like you open the folder, you open the file, then you install or you rename it. You can do anything. Like in Linux you use terminal to access files and you work through terminal. So let's start. Starting with Linux command, this is the main view we get. Okay, now we have to type here. Okay, let's see who we are right now, who is the user. Okay, it is very simple. Who am I? Type who am I, then it shows that you are Kali. That means my username is Kali, so I am Kali over here. So now let's find today's date. Okay, let's ask it. Okay, what is today's date? Okay, it says today is Saturday, 04 July 2020, and it gives times also. So let's start with where we are in a directory, as we have to access everything through directory. So let's start pwd. Okay, it says that we are in home and we are in Kali folder of home. Okay, now let's see what we have in this Kali. Okay, ls means list. ls. Okay, we see that we have desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, videos. Okay, ls is used to show something that is in that file or folder. Okay, now let's say I think we have to go to, now let's go to somewhere. Okay, cd desktop. Okay, we did cd desktop and we went to desktop. That means we are in this platform desktop, but we are using terminal, so we are in this platform in desktop. Okay, let's go back. Let's try to go back, and if we type again cd, then we again go to Kali. And this is not the step to go back, this is the step to go in the main folder, like in Kali. So if we are in okay, cd desktop, we went to desktop. Now to go back we have to type cd ... This helps us to go back. Okay, now let's do something. Let us list all folders. We did ls. Now if we want to list all hidden folders, then we can write ls la. This is list and list all. Okay, this shows everything that are hidden, like those in this, the cats, the config, this all are hidden in this Kali. So if you want to access the hidden folders, then you use ls-la. Okay, let's clear it as it is looking very rough. The screen is full, so let's write clear the text. Clear. Okay, it has cleared. Now we'll go to something. Okay, we go to desktop and we want to create directory. The command that is used to create a directory or a folder is mkdir, and we can create in desktop new file. Okay, we can see in the wall that the new file has been created. So the new file has been created in desktop. Okay, let's remove this folder, then rmdir NEWFILE. Okay, we can see that the new file is gone. So let's make it. Let's make let's create some file. So in order to do that, we type touch, touch. Okay, in desktop. Okay, let's go back first, then we do that. Okay, cd ls. Let's create some new file. So we can create the new file. First we have to create directory. So mkdir make directory new new file. This creates the folder in this Kali. So we can see ls, then there is file. So I think it would be easy if we create the new file in desktop. So let's do cd desktop. Let's go to desktop. Okay, then we can create mkdir file. Okay, we created new file in this desktop. Now let's create we can create a new file inside this new file folder. Okay, now to do that, we can write touch, then we can write new file /txt. Okay, we can see that new file.txt has been created. Let's open this. This is new file.txt. So we can create the new file using this command. Okay, now moving on to another, I'll teach you how to copy something. Okay, now let's create cd. Let's create mkdir make directory and new. We can create new. Okay, in order to create that, we wrote mkdir new. So we can see in here that new has been created. Now let's move this new file.txt into new. Okay, to do that, we write cp, and this is located in new new file /new file.txt. Then we move that into okay, new slash. Okay, we can write new. Okay, we can see here that new has been copied and the new file is present in both new and new file.txt. This is the way to copy the file. And if you want to let's create another file, then we try to move this new file.txt into that folder. Okay, we can write mkdir make directory, so tw2. Okay, new, we can write that in old, old. Okay, that means here old has been created. Now let's move the new file from here to old. Okay, to do that, we write mv okay, new file /new new file.txt to old /new file.txt. Okay, we can see here that the file from new file is gone and it is present in old. Okay, the file has moved from this place to old. So this is the way to move any file. Okay, let's now let's talk about some network commands and ping. Let's talk about ping. Okay, ping is used to like send a packet to certain server, and if the response is given by that server, then the ping is successful and it gives the detail about the ping. So if you want to learn about networking and all, so we will discuss that in further videos. Okay, let's do that. ping. Okay, let's try the Google server 8.8. We can see that the request has been accepted and acknowledge has been sent to my computer. So in order to hold this step, we can click Ctrl+C. This holds this step. So these are basic commands in Linux. So if you try them, then you can succeed and you can improvise. There are many other Linux commands. You can search them in internet and you can learn a lot. But if you know about these commands, then it would be very easy and very handy to use terminal. So I hope you liked the video. So we will discuss about further Linux component in coming videos. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video and please help me in YouTube. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. See you soon.